square wave generation by using bigger bone black and CRO. We have to show the output on CRO. That is, our square wave will get generated on CRO. Okay. And now the instruments required for these programs are, first is bigger bone black kit. This is the bigger bone black kit on which this is the P8 series and this is the P9 series. Okay. And this is our CRO. These are the pins by using which we are going to connect this CRO to our bigger bone black. In that, this red pin indicates the positive pole and this black pin indicates the negative pole. And on CRO, here, this pin of CRO we have to connect to the y-axis. This is the y-axis. Here they have given the channel y. So we have to connect this pin to the y-axis so that we will get the output on y-axis of CRO. And now first of all, how to start the program. Now first of all, connect this USB cable. One USB cable is there. You have to connect this cable to our bigger bone black board. There is one port given and you will get this blue LEDs glow. Okay. After that, again connect this pin to the y-axis of the CRO. Next, as we have to connect this to the bigger bone black, we require these two pins for connection purpose. So here, connect these two pins to white and black port. Now we need to connect this black pin to ground. This is the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that, these are the pin numbers. And red pin we have to connect to the pin number 7 of our bigger bone black. This is the pin number 7. Okay, now it is get connected. Now next, we have to log in into the bigger bone black. For that purpose, go to the terminal. Here now our terminal is on in our PC. So we have to log in into the bigger bone black. There is one command for that, SSH space root @192.168.7.2. This is the IP address of our bigger bone black kit. Enter. Now we have entered into the bigger bone black kit. Okay, now I have already made one program for the square wave in my particular bigger bone black kit. So how to edit that program? Nano space square dot py. As program is in Python, just py. And here you have to on the CRO before running the program. You have to on the CRO before running the program. Now enter. Now this is the program. In that program, this first line Adafruit BBIO indicates the module for. This first line indicates the module for bigger bone black input output, and also we have imported the time here for taking the time in our program. Now this pin number 7 of P8 series on which we have to show the output. Toggle is our variable. Now what is the next if loop? That is, if toggle is high, then make that toggle low, and we have to give to the output to pin number 7 of our P8 series of bigger bone black. So when you will make that low, here that actually in bigger bone black the opposite case occurs. So when you will write here GPIO low, it will be high in our bigger bone black. Else when toggle is 1, do the toggle 1 so that toggle will be high, and make our GPIO pin as high. When the GPIO pin is high, at that time in our bigger bone black it is low. Means you will get the output as like high and low, like square wave. And here we have to wait for 5 seconds. That is given time of sleep 0.05. Okay, so this is the program. Now how to run the program? Again go to the terminal. Go to the terminal. Here run the program by using our command, that is python space square dot py. Okay. Now you will get the output on square. See, this is the output. This is the output.